Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Emmad Irfani, and today I'm more than excited to unbox my Realme 5 Pro. Let's see what we have in a bag full of tricks. Since a child, I've always loved gifts, so let's see what we have in store. Oh, nice! Wow. The first thing that's inspiring me is the color. It's a crystal purple Realme 5 Pro, and it's got a huge display. Actually, it's a 6.3 inch FHD plus Dew Dot display. Okay, Realme 5 Pro has 4 lenses. सबसे पहले primary lens, it's a 48 megapixel lens, and then we have the wide angle lens that enables you to capture landscapes or big selfies or groups. Then we have the macro, which focuses on the detail and the minute specification of a subject. And the last but not the least is a portrait. It captures the monochromatic memories, like if I want to take a picture right now, it's going to enhance everything, the light and the ambience of that particular scenery. Okay, the chipset of this phone has a Qualcomm 712 SoC, which means you can multitask on this phone, use application, play games with no lag and with a very prompt response. Also, this phone has a 3.0 VOOC charger, which means that you can charge your phone up to 50% in only 30 minutes, because often with people like me, time is luxury that I never have. All in all, Realme 5 Pro is a highly state-of-the-art gadget, and you can get it under 40K. Realme 5 Pro will be available in the market very soon, so I hope you get yours and enjoy this beautiful device.